Hey guys, let's see how to fix this issue on Canvas where I can't unlock an element. Here, for example, I'm trying to delete this one. It's not possible. I cannot move any element. And when I try to unlock with the lock symbol here, it's not working. You see, it looks like it's unlocked, but it's not. So it's not working. It's supposed to work like this. This one, for example, is working fine. When I come here, you see that I can lock and unlock. This one, for example, I'm moving right now, and if I come here and I lock, I cannot move, right? I just move the one that's behind, but this one, it's not possible to move. Can just lock this one as well. You see, for this one is working fine, right? Lock and unlock. But for some reason, this page here is not working, right? So to fix this, what I have to do usually is just the first thing that you can try is come here and lock the page, right? You see the page is not locked, but I'm going to lock the entire page. Now you see that I still can't move anything here. But now when I'm unlocked again, you see now that I can move the element, right? See here, or I can just unlock every single element, just like so. If it's still locked here, you just unlock every single element here. So super simple. That's the first thing that you can try. Unlock the page and then you unlock the element. If it still doesn't work for you, you can try different web browser. I have here Google Chrome, for example, but I can also try, let's say, Safari. And from here, I can try the same, right? If it doesn't work with Safari or another web browser, you can also try come here on Google Chrome, for example, and delete browsing data. Just click here. And from here, just uncheck everything and just check here this cached image and files. So you're going to delete every single image and files and then try again, and usually it works, all right? So that way you can fix it. So you can try this and fix this problem with the Canva elements not unlocking. I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.